Okay.
Only math.
Alhamdulillah. Let's begin with the test. A simple assessment test. You can write it on the screen or you can write it on your notebook and send it to me through your mom's mobile. Okay. Send the photos to me. Okay. You can write it on the screen as well. Whichever is easy for you, you can do it. Okay. Chalo. Test question number 1. Can you read it for me and solve?
Okay. I was lost in my screen.
Okay, beta. You can do it on the screen or you can do it on the book as well. Aisha, whichever is easy for you. Your pen is lost?
My pen is not working, so I can tell with my mouth.
Yes, you can tell with your mouth. You can solve it in your notebook and then say in the mouth, okay?
So this is even.
Yes, this is even. The second one, beta.
This is also even.
Yes, mashallah. Very good. Barakallahu fiki. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer and how can you represent it on the number line?
Okay. My pen came and just went out.
Okay.
Okay, here I got it.
Okay, mashallah. Very good, beta. What's the answer? Can you first tell me what's the answer, beta?
12.
8 plus 4 gives you?
12.
Yes, very good.
Now we have to jump.
Yes. First you need to mark. Which one, beta? First you need to mark 4 or you can mark 8, whichever you want.
Okay, so...
First take the place of 0 and then start the jump. Now, from where you should jump? From 0, right? 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. This is the first answer, 4. Okay, then what you have to do is add 8 to it now. The first jump is 4 plus 1 is 5, correct?
Yeah.
Do it now, beta. Add 8 to it. Not at all. This is wrong answer, Aisha. What you had to do was? No, you should not show 8 here. Because you just want 4 and you're adding 8 to this 4. Okay, you're adding 8 to this 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and where are we going now? 7.
So we will not take 8.
No, we'll not take 8 into consideration. We will take 1 which we have, the first one. Okay, whichever we'll take at the first, only that is considered. 8 is the added number now. Okay, that we need to add to 4.
Okay.
So which is the final answer? Where is the final answer? We have not got the final answer on the number line. Yes, mashallah. So 12 is the answer. This is how it is represented on the number line. Barakallahu fiki. Okay, this one, beta.
Okay. So...
Mashallah, yes, very good, beta. Okay. Chalo, solve this.
Okay.
It's a test for you, so I'm not helping you out.
Should I write in my book because there is no space here?
Okay, beta, wherever, whatever you can. Write it in your book and tell me aloud what you have written.
Okay.
Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the first answer, beta?
So first answer is 90,528.
Very good, mashallah. What's the second answer, beta?
50,555.
Very good, barakallahu fiki, alhamdulillah. The next one. Okay, can you write this one in the number format? How do you do this, Aisha? Write the number format of the extended number here. This is enlarged, okay? This is an enlarged form of a number. How do you write the simplified number? Just the number.
Just the number. Like this for...
Yes. Yes, beta. Now this is 40,000, right? This is 10,000 place. How did we do this in the class? What we did was we drew a place value table, right?
Yeah.
Yes. First, what we have written on the place value table: 10,000, then the 1,000, then the 100, then tens, and then ones, right?
Ones.
Now this is 10,000. What comes in 10,000 place is
4.
4. Very good. What comes in 1,000 place is
9.
Yes. What comes in 100 place is not given. So the 100 place goes to 0 goes to 100's place, right?
Yeah.
Now, what is in 10's place is
3, and then ones is 7.
7. Yes, this is the answer. That's all, Aisha. This was the question that I had asked here. Just write the simplified version of this enlarged number. Okay? Understood, Pita?
Yeah.
This was taught in the class, right? Now write the expanded number sequence like that it was written in the previous slide. Expanded number. How do you do this is 2 into, which is the place you have to just remember. Which is this place, which is this place, which is this place.
1,000. This is 10,000.
This is 10,000. So what do you do here is 2 multiplied with 10,000, right?
Yeah.
Plus 6 multiplied with
6,000.
Yes, very good, beta.
And then 300.
3 multiplied with 100 plus 3 multiplied with which 10, right?
6.
Plus 6. That's all. This is the expanded number sequence. Understood? This is the expanded number sequence. From this we have derived this one in the previous slide. Now from this we are deriving the expanded number sequence, which is this one, right, Aisha? Mashallah.
Yeah.
Yes, beta. Okay, alhamdulillah. That was the answer. That's all. And now number sequence for this one, beta. How do you do this? How do you write it? Just remember the place value. This 2 is already given in the tens place, units place. 90 is in tens place. Now 6 is in hundreds place.
We have to write 2 in the 10,000's place.
Yes, beta. So what we write is 2 into 10,000, right?
Yeah.
So it is 20,000, correct?
Yeah.
So instead we can write 20,000. Now 7 is in thousands place. So it is 7 into 1,000, or we can write it as 7,000. Correct, Aisha?
Yeah.
Then this one 6 into
100.
Yes, very good. So it is 600 plus 90 plus 2. Very good. So this is the number sequence. Okay, mashallah. Okay, beta. So now next what we had discussed was decimals, right? Decimals. Now tell me the places here, Aisha. What's 3 here? Which place is 3? The place value of 3?
Place value of 3 is ones.
Beta, again. 31.78.
Okay.
Do you remember the place value table?
Yeah. 8 is on 10th.
Beta, again. What we had to take into consideration was the point, right? Decimal point. After the decimal point was 10th. After the 10th was 100th, right?
Yeah.
Decimal point goes ones. Before ones is tens, right? This
Yeah.
was self-understood. This side is self-understood, which is already studied. After the decimal point, 10th and 100th. Now, which is 10th place in this, Aisha?
10th place is 1.
Baby, it's wrong, beta.
Oh, 10th place is 7.
Yes,
I was
very good.
thinking, I
Yes,
was thinking this one.
yeah. It's not 10th, beta. I had asked about 10th. Okay, it's 7. Which is 100th place?
8.
8, mashallah. So you've understood this concept already. We have explained it, right? We solved
Yeah.
many problems on this. 3 and 1, right?
Yeah.
I'll give you another example here. 267.48. Now tell me the place value of this, Aisha. What goes for 8? Which is the place value of 8?
8 is 100.
100. So it's given here, right? And which is what goes for 4? Place value of 4? Tenths. Very good. It's tenths. Now what is 7? Place value for 7?
7 is ones.
What is tenths here? 6 is tenths. What is hundreds here? 2 is in 100. Hundreds place. Yes, very
There
good.
is no 100 in this place.
There in this there is no 100. In this there is a 100, right? Beta 267.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Now decimal equivalent of 0.2 we had learned previously, right? In the last class. What is the
Yeah.
decimal equivalent of 0.2?
This.
Yes, 0.20 is equivalent of 0.2 because whichever zeros you added to the point place after the point place, it becomes same, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this we had discussed already, right? Alhamdulillah. So chalo, Alhamdulillah, the test is over. This was the test. Was it easy?
Yeah.
Yes, it was just a revision test, okay? Just I wanted to assess how much you have studied and how much you remember, okay? So we'll continue with the decimals that we have left in the last class. What did we study in the last class was decimal part, right? Everything
Yeah.
about decimal. What was a decimal? What was the definition for the decimal? It is a whole number as well as a fractional part, right? Decimal had a whole number. 36 is a whole number. After the point, whatever, right? It was a fractional part, matlab chota part, right? It is
Yeah.
written after a decimal point. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, decimal is separated by a point, right? So this is the decimal number we had discussed, which is in tenths place, what is in ones place, what is in tens place, correct?
Yeah.
You remember this? Aisha, you remember
Yes.
this? Yes. And what about this? What about this, beta?
Yes.
100th
We
place?
just did it on the test.
Yes, beta, we just did it on the test. Just to revise, which is 100th place, 5 is in 100th place, 2 is on 10th place. So here, beta, again, 8 is in 10th place, right?
Yes.
Which is in ones place, 6 is in ones place, 5 is in
10th place.
Village. Which is in hundreds place, 4 is in hundreds place. Very good. Mashallah. So do you remember this one, beta?
Yeah.
How did we solve this was? It is how many blocks? 0.
The 100 blocks.
Yes, out of 100. How did we write this was 81 out of 100, right? 81 out of 100. So we showed it as 0.81. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. You remember this right. Okay, 0.81. How did we do this? So you remember it. What about this one, beta? It is just the sixth number out of 100. How did we solve this was? What we did here was we kept a decimal point here, jump back the decimal to 2 places. So it is 0.06. Right?
Okay.
Do you remember this?
Yes.
Yes. So you have to keep this in the 100. Yes, beta?
We didn't do this one.
Jump back the points. Okay, we did it with place value. We did it with place value. Okay, I got it. How did we do it with place value actually, beta? 0. Sorry, what we had to write was 6 over 100, right? 6 out of 100. Yes. What did we do here is on the 100th place we wrote 6. On the 100th place we wrote 6. Point is in here, right? 10th place there is nothing.
In between.
There is nothing in 10th place. So what we write is it is 0.06. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So you've understood. And for this, how did we write is 99 over 100, correct?
100.
It's 99 out of 100 blocks. So how did we write on the place value table again? 0.99, correct?
Yes.
Tens and hundreds. So it is 0.99. There's nothing in front of point, then it is 0, right?
Yes.
So we have 100 blocks here, 100 blocks here, 100 blocks here. So what we have in total? 300, correct?
Yes.
So it is 300 blocks plus. How many blocks are here, beta?
This one is 1.
We have 10, 20, 28, right? 28 over 100, correct?
Yes.
Correct or wrong? Correct. How did we write this, beta? How did we write this?
We counted this.
28 over 100, how did we write this? Do you remember? Using the place value table, what we wrote was 100. This is 10th. There is a point here. So 2 goes to 10th and 8 goes to 100. So it is 0.28, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So it becomes 300 is nothing but 3, okay? Why is it 3? Because there are 3 whole blocks here.
Yeah, they are full of the
blocks. Yes. How do you write it? Just 100 out of 100, correct?
Yeah.
What is this become? 1. The 1 full. 100 out of 100.
Yeah.
Which is 1. 100 out of 100, which is 1 again. 1 whole block. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0.28 becomes 3.28. So the answer here is 3.28. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. Now we had discussed decimal inverse. Do you remember this, beta? 5.9. How do you write this? 5.9. That's all, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we write 5 and then we point. We write point and then 9.
Yes, very good, beta, mashallah. Then here 2.99. Write it on the screen, please. As simple as that, right? 2.99. As you say, you write it. Correct, mashallah. Okay, beta, this one. This is the same as well. Okay. This one, 3.84. Write it on the screen, Aisha.
Okay. This is 10.8.
Yes, mashallah, very good. Next, we had discussed about place values, right? This which we had done already. Okay, what's the place value? This we had just covered in the test, right? So no need of this. Okay. Okay, just tell me which is the place value for 3 here, Aisha?
For 3, this is 100.
Very good. Hundredths THS, right? Very good, mashallah. So this is all covered in the previous class, alhamdulillah. Then again, we had discussed about a number which is 1/10 more than 3.4. What you had to do was just check the 10th place and add one number more, right?
Yeah.
3.5 instead of 3.4. That's all we had discussed in previous class. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. What's the answer to this, Aisha? Quickly tell me the answer for this. 2.61. The 100th more. How do we do this? Is add one more to the 100th place. Yes, very good. Mashallah. Alhamdulillah, beta. Very good. So, okay, again, 100th less in 9.67.
Okay.
Very good. Barakallah fiki, mashallah. Understood? This is easy, alhamdulillah. So everything is covered. Then equivalent decimals is also covered, right? We had discussed it in previous class, alhamdulillah. So now we are going to discuss. Okay. Do you remember to graph the number line? How to graph the number line? Even this we had discussed in previous class. What where the 0 point goes? The 0.2 goes in the number line?
Yes.
Yes. Point it, mark it down, beta. Okay, if I did not give you the number line, how would you mark the graph? What you had to do here is just you have to write a line and write if
The number.
the number, which is the number here, 0 is the number. Just check the whole part here. Okay?
Always we have to start with the 0.
Always you have to start with the 0 if it is 0.2 or 0.9. If in the question, if you have 0 at the start, okay. If in the question you had 1.8 in the start, then you have to start with 1. Okay. Okay. Alhamdulillah. I'll give you more examples. You'll understand it soon, inshallah. So 0.2 is marked, right? Okay. 0.7 again. How did you mark it? 0, you should begin with 0, then 0.1, 2, 0.9 in the end, and then after that is 1, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Did you have you understood how to mark a number line? Previously I discussed. You have to start with 0, 0.1, 0.2. Come on, repeat. Come on, tell me, Aisha, which is the next number?
3,
0.4,
0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.10.
No, beta, it's not 0.10. It is 1. That's all I wanted to tell you the difference. It is not 0.10. It is 1. Okay?
1.0.
Yes. Why is it 1.0? Aisha, tell me, why is it 1.0?
Because
after 0.9 comes 1.0. Why is it so? Is you have told 10, right? You cannot write 10 in 0.10. Okay, you cannot, because it's already over, right? It's here. 0.1 is here. 0.10 you cannot write after 0.9, correct?
Yeah.
What you have to write here is 1.0. The points just shifts here. What does the point do here is it just shifts to the right. Understood?
Yeah.
After 0.9 we have 1.0, not 0.10. Okay, that's all. The difference is after 0.9 you have 1.0. After 2.9, which is the number, Aisha, tell me what's the number after 2.9?
2.9 is 2.0.
No, beta.
1.0.
No, beta.
0.0.
No, beta.
9.
Okay, this is quite interesting. I'll teach you how you have to do here is. Okay, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? These are the numbers. Yeah. Am I right? Now, between 2 and 3, which are the numbers, Aisha?
Can you tell me? Numbers.
Yes, they are both the numbers, right? Now, tell me the numbers in between 2 and 3.
This is smaller and this is bigger.
Beta, in between 2 and 3, we have hundreds of numbers in between 2 and 3. Do you know that?
Yeah.
It is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Can you understand me now? Which are the number between 2 and 3?
2.1, 2.2,
2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, and after 2.9 we get 3, beta. Okay. Understood? Okay, have you understood this concept now?
Yeah.
अब आपने आप एक दुकान पे गए हैं, so you get 2 and half liter of oil, so it is 2.5. Okay? समझ में आ गया आपको? आपने 2 होल नहीं लाया, आपके पास या तो आप 2 ला सकते थे या तो 3 ला सकते थे, आपने 2.5 लाया, तो it is 2.5. Have you understood how you should represent it in decimal?
Yeah. अगर मैंने दूध खरीदा तो
वही बेटा, वही है. दूध भी आपने अगर खरीदा तो आपने अगर 1.5 लीटर खरीदा है, इमेजिन करो आपने 1.5 लीटर दूध खरीद कर लाया है, ठीक है? सो 1.5 किसके बीच में आता है? 1 और 2 के बीच में आता है, राइट?
यस.
1.5 किसके बीच में आता है? 1.5 लीटर्स बोलते हैं उसको, करेक्ट?
जी.
समझ में आ रहा है आपको अब?
हाँ.
ओके, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
कुछ भी लेंगे लेकिन इसमें पॉइंट डालेंगे.
पॉइंट डाल सकते हैं अगर आपने होल नंबर्स नहीं फ्रैक्शन में लिया हो तो. अगर आपने होल लिया हो तो अगर आपने 2 लीटर्स खरीदा है तो जस्ट 2 लीटर्स। आपने अगर 2 के साथ आधा खरीदा है तो इट इज इन रिटन इन पॉइंट्स, यू हैव ब्रॉट 2.5 लीटर्स, यू हैव ब्रॉट 6.2 लीटर्स, इस तरह लिखते हैं हम। ओके,
Okay.
अंडरस्टूड? ओके,
Yes.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह समझ में आ गया, राइट? ओके, एनी डाउट्स इन दिस?